Every unit produced by the Pennine Group will have a unique identification number. We'd highly recommend that you make a note of this number and of all key numbers for future reference. We'll now demonstrate the gas system in great detail. Locate the gas locker and open. Position gas bottle in cradle and secure with strap. Please note, a 4.5 kilogram gas bottle is the maximum size that our units will take. Post-2003 model campers will be fitted with a regulator in the bulkhead. Make gas connection to the top of the regulator and tighten using a spanner. The gas tap is shown in the on position. Open the gas valve on the gas bottle by turning it anti-clockwise. Most models will also have a manifold inside. Turn the tap in line with the pipe to turn the gas supply on. The gas hob connection should be made like this. You should always check that the connection is secure. To turn on each independent gas supply, move taps in line with the pipe. To turn the gas supply off, move taps to vertical. The rings on the hob are lit as shown. Please ensure that the cooker knob is kept depressed for a few seconds prior to release. To turn off, turn the cooker knobs as shown. The grill is operated in a similar manner. To light the oven, depress the knob and press the ignition switch at the same time. Again, remember to keep the oven knob depressed for a few seconds until the flame is maintained. The thermocouple offers a safety cutout should the flame go out. Now to the electrical system. Most models will have a combination battery box which will house the battery and the mains inlet. Please note, some models will have a separate battery box and mains inlet point. Open the battery box lock using the key provided. To power up the unit, make the mains connection like this. The leisure battery and mains connection lead will not be supplied as standard. For the best advice, discuss these with your supplying dealership. The battery should be connected using the snap connectors provided. Internally, the battery indicator will show the status of both car and van battery if connected. The toggle switch will show which battery is being displayed. 12-volt sockets are provided within most models with connections made like this. The mains consumer unit is housed within the seat locker. All DC fuses and miniature circuit breakers can be found on this appliance. An in-line battery fuse can be found near to the battery locker. The 12-volt charger unit can be operated using the toggle switch, which will light up when the charger is on. Some later models may be fitted with a space-saver heater as shown. The three switches will operate the fan, 1 kilowatt and 2 kilowatt output settings. The red marker will indicate when these are switched on. Please take care not to overload the electrical system with too many appliances operating at once. Refrigerators can be operated on gas. A pilot light should be seen through the sight glass when on gas. To ignite, turn and hold gas knob and depress ignition switch together. The green switch will be illuminated when mains power is switched on. The required power setting can be selected using the dial. To turn off the mains power, press the switch down. Please note, the red 12-volt switch is provided to allow the operation of the fridge whilst the unit is in transit only. The fridge will not operate from the unit's leisure battery. To switch off, press the switch down. The fridge door catch is operated as shown. There are two positions for the door. The first locks the door closed, and the second is the travel position for ventilation of the refrigerator when not in use. Plastic grills can be found on the outer body of the unit. These allow the refrigerator to ventilate. They can be removed using a coin when not in use. Inside this socket provides power to the fridge. An external socket may be found on certain models. Now to the water system. The water pump inlet can be found on the exterior body. The blanking plug must first be removed. The water pump can then be connected and locked into position. The pump should then be lowered into your freshwater container. Water drain connections are made like this, and wastewater should always be drained into a waste container. The toilet cassette is housed within this external door. To release, lift catch and pull at the same time. Rinse aid should be added to water in this nozzle. Please ensure that the correct amount of solution is added as per the supplier's recommendations. Aquachem solution is added through this nozzle, again as per the supplier's instructions. Replace the cassette as shown. The toilet rinse is operated using the blue press button. To empty bowl, pull this lever to release blade. Please note, water should never be left standing in the bowl. The mains only water heater is switched on like so. The switch will be illuminated when on. The water heater can be drained using the taps located on the floor. Both of these must be open to allow correct drainage. Earlier models may be fitted with the Ultrastore water heater, which operates on both gas and electric. Again, the drain valve is located on the floor. The external vent cover must be removed when operating this water heater. The main switch will light up when on. The gas is ignited like this, and the temperature is controlled with the dial. These are the sink connections. The connections being made are hot water, cold water, and 12 volt for the water pump. The sink tap indicates hot or cold water. This is the hot position, and this is the cold position. Lift the tap to operate the water pump, and lower to stop the flow of water. The hand basin in the toilet compartment has separate hot and cold taps. Blue is cold water and red is hot water. To achieve the correct temperature, mix taps together. When full, the basin is emptied by removing the plug. Before closing, always remember to retract the faucet. When lifting basin, do so in a slow, controlled manner to avoid spillage of water. We'll now cover all remaining fixtures and fittings. The exterior door can be locked in position by depressing this button. To release, turn anti-clockwise and pull. Internally, lowering the catch will open the door and raising will lock the door. Using the key has the same effect. To remove the transit cover, release shock cord elastics and fold as demonstrated. Please ensure that the corners are folded inwards prior to rolling and packing down. The spare wheel can be found beneath the vehicle and can be released as shown. Certain models may be fitted with gas struts to assist with raising and lowering of the bedboards. A range of models are fitted with an external shower point for your convenience. All of our Pennine models now incorporate synthetic material technology. Our very latest Isotex fabrics can be easily wiped clean. All of our Conway convertible caravans now utilize synthetic material technology. Our acrylic Isocryl fabrics will not absorb water and are resistant to fading. Please observe the water repellent properties of our latest acrylic fabrics. This procedure should be followed when hitching up your leisure vehicle. Position the hitch over the vehicle tow ball and utilize the jockey wheel to lower into position. Lift the hitch handle to lock into position. Raise the jockey wheel. Secure the breakaway cable. Connect the electrics, and please note that certain models will only have a single 13-pin plug. All of our models are a delight to tow. Most of our models will store in a standard garage. The light weight of our campers will even allow you to pull them up an incline. There are also 2 independent owners clubs for the respective Conway and Pennine brands. Details can be found at www.conwayowners.org.uk, www.pennineownersclub.org.uk. Please note, these instructions are meant as a general guide only, and you should refer to the specific user instructions provided for more detailed information. welcome to the Pennine Group. Our very latest ranges of convertible caravans are manufactured under the prestigious Conway and Pennine brand names. Our stylish and exciting new models incorporate the very latest in synthetic materials technology. We offer a range of products to suit every need. Our products are exhibited at all major national events. Manufacturing and quality excellence are our main priorities. Owning a Pennine leisure vehicle will provide you with the ultimate leisure experience and your own personal room with a view.